Hello guys, and so here we are again for another short video. Ayun, so galing lang po tayo sa dentist para tapusin yung inayos sa ipin ko. So finally it's done. It's been a long time kasi since yung last na schedule ko, kaya lang hindi ako nakapag go through kasi recently, yung mga severe pains, mga kung ano-anong hindrances nagsusulputan. So, ayan, ng lola ninyo, hindi makapunta. So, today, still the same pa rin yung emotions. Ayun. Kaya, ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin, guys, is have you ever felt na outsider kayo? Yung feeling na you don't belong. Alam ko, hindi lang naman ako yung nakakaramdam ng ganon. Pero, ayun, sana, diba, yung mga tao na hindi naman nakakaranas ng ganong experience, sana, minsan sinasabi natin na mas maigi na huwag ka na lang magbitaw ng salita kung hindi mo, tao dito, hindi makakabuti sa nararamdaman ng ibang tao. Actually, guys, just a clarification. For those people who has anxiety, they don't listen. They don't listen to any advices that you will say. The only thing that matters to them is what they felt or what they feel as the moment. Kasi, kaya nga po siya naging sakit. So, ayun. Due to too much stress, ang tao po nagkakaroon ng stress, nagkakaroon ng anxiety. And sa kaso ng mga may sakit, too much worry causes them fatigue, anxiety, depression, and so on and so forth. So minsan, ang sakit lang kasi alam niyo yun, hindi naiintindihan ng tao na bakit ganito, bakit ganoon, bakit ganito, bakit ganoon. Just like what I always say, hindi tayo pare-pareho. Hindi tayo ginawa ng Diyos na pare-pareho. We have different capacity. We have different statuses. Kaya, that makes us unique in every way. Diba? Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, minsan nakakapagod din na ipaglaban yung sarili. Kasi minsan, may mga tao na ipagpipilitan din nila kung ano yung alam nilang tama. Pero, alam mo yun, life has to go on. Kailangan mong harapin yung mga bagay na yun. Kailangan mong harapin yung mga tao na yun. Nakakapagod sa totoo lang. And that makes me feel so much stress about myself. Kasi, alam ko, ever since I'm a fighter, ever since I am strong, pero simula nung nagkasakit ako, honestly speaking, I felt different about myself. Naramdaman ko yung difficulty makihalubilo sa tao. Naramdaman ko yung difficulty na harapin yung sarili ko. Yung mga nangyayari sa akin. Kasi nga, this is not me. Everything about me has changed. May time pa nga na sinabi nila sa amin na may mga bawal. May mga bawal kainin, may mga bawal gawin. Pero, sa pagkain, would you imagine, maniniwala ka na sometimes, hindi na ikaw yung nagka-crave. Kasi, merong nagka-crave sa loob ng katawan mo. So, it's just like a parasite inside you. So, nagigets nyo, mentally, physically, ino-occupy na kayo ng sakit. Ayoko magpatalo, pero, honestly, if I would hear negativity, if I hear anything that is going to be negative on my part, masyado akong affected. And it really saddens me kasi, diba, I have to go on I have to fight. Bakit? Kasi hindi lang ako yung nag-i-exist. I have a young kid. I have a son. Pero naiintindihan ba ng ibang tao yon? They don't. Kasi naiintindihan nila their own selves. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, kapag may problema ang isang tao, why not try to listen to them? Let them vent out. Hindi yung magsasalita ka na ganito, na ganoon, na ganito, na ganoon. Kasi it's not going to help. Ayun. Let's just end the topic over there. And ayun. So today, ganun pa rin yung nararamdaman ko. And tomorrow, babalik na naman ako dahil magpapaschedule na ako ng MRI. Although kagabi, nanggaling na ako ng ER. And the same thing, pain reliever yung isinaksak sa katawan ko. Pero every morning, every day, the pain is there. Actually, one of my colleagues mentioned na, alam mo sabi niya, physically you look okay. Sabi ko, yes, I do look okay. Because I have to look okay. But, deep inside, I am dying. Hindi siya kanta, pero it's really true. Sometimes I ask my kid nga kakayanin mo kaya kung i-give up na lang kita sa papa mo? Kasi parang hindi ko nakakayanin. I look fine. I look okay. That's why some other people might say nag-iinarte lang ako. Pero sana nag-iinarte lang ako. I would rather have that. Kasi ang hirap ng ganito. Sa totoo lang. Everyday may sakit ka nararamdaman. Everyday kailangan mo pangilagan yung sarili mo. Parang hirap-hirap ng ganun, di ba? You want to do things na hindi mo kayang gawin, na basically dapat kaya mo. Ewan ko kung naiintindihan ng ibang tao yan. Pero sana na lang dun sa mga makakapanood na itong video na to, try to understand other people, respect their feelings na lang. Ayun. So, that would be it, guys. Sana lagi ko sinasabi, if you could spread the positivity in yourself, just spread it out. Let it begin on you. Lalo na magpapasko. Ayun. Share your smile, your blessing, your love with others. It would be good. Sana, ngayong Pasko, masaya po tayong lahat. So, hanggang dito na lang po tayo, ha? And, ayun, ingat tayo palagi, guys. Sa mga pinagdadaanan, laban lang. Kasi, alam niyo yun, nandyan pala si God sa tabi natin. Always there to guide us. Hindi lang to guide us, to carry us over. Sige, bye-bye. Love you.